Well, this doesn't say a lot about my construction capabilities. We had a total failure. It actually sheared the screws off. I knew that door was too heavy. So here's where I think I went wrong. First off, these gate hinges in the wrong kind of stress layout position. I need to use a piano hinge here. The door itself weighs about 70 pounds, but if you look at it mechanically or physics-wise, as every foot it goes over, that weight multiplies. So I figured there was basically about 200 pounds of force right here. And those shocks, which were only rated about 80 pounds a piece, was making it sag. The hinges had to be really close in to where the pivot point was. And it was about 200 pounds of stress probably pushing up on this, and just flexed this top piece out and just cracked it, split the wood, sheared the screws. So now we're gonna have to do a whole redesign. I've got new shocks coming out, and they are longer, so they'll go out here more, so where they don't have to have as much force. We'll have a better mechanical advantage if they're out here, less stress on the shock and on the hinges. So a horizontal piece of plywood is going to flex too much, so I put two vertical pieces in it, glued it, screwed it, made it stronger. Filled in the screw holes, sanded it, put a bunch of stain on it, the same color, sealed it up real well, and that was dry, put some clear urethane on it. Wanted to make it nice and weather tight. Dump the old hinges and put in a nice new piano hinge. Single-handedly went outside and tried to put the new piece in and almost tried to kill myself. Enlisted the help of another old guy because this door was too heavy, still is too heavy, but he didn't complain too much and he actually was quite helpful. Now it looks like I only had to do this once, and the truth of the matter is, I did this a bunch of times till I finally figured out where to mount all this stuff. It wasn't fun. No instructions come with these pistons at all. Had a heck of a time, but it worked out eventually. Bad video here showing how I screwed it into the door. But eventually, it did work. Put some latches because it was coming up way too easy. And finally got to put the TV in there where it belonged. Nothing more fun than fixing a project that you've already done, but it's good, ready to go. So I hope you enjoyed this short video, and subscribe, we'd appreciate it. See you again.